Hey dolls, welcome back to the dollhouse. If you are new, my name is Caitlin. Hi, nice to meet you. Don't forget to hit that red button down below so we won't be strangers any longer, and stay tuned. So today, as you can tell by the title of this video, will be a hair review. This hair, I have not made it into a unit yet, but before I get onto this hair, I will be selling this wig. It is gently used and handmade. I will be selling it for $90. So I will leave my email down below if you are interested. Just shoot me an email and say, hey Caitlin, I want to buy the orange wig. So, today's hair is coming from Senior Version Hair. I think it's Senior. It's spelled Senior. And they sent me three 18-inch BODYWAVE bundles and a 18-inch BODYWAVE frontal. So let's talk about this frontal first. The frontal does come in a hairnet. And this is what she looks like. The lace is, it looks like it could be tinted a little bit, but it's not my skin complexion. Like, it's not my skin tone at all. The frontal looks plucked, but you guys know me, I will go in and probably pluck a little bit more. It does come with baby hairs. But all in all, this is a pretty good looking frontal. The knots aren't bleached. And it's not one of those really, really dense frontals where that you guys see and it's just like a straight hairline straight across. So the frontal is pre-plucked. The only thing, you would have to bleach the knots. But other than that, I'm not seeing anything wrong with this frontal. So, on to the bundles. Like I said, I do plan on making this into a wig. So the thing I noticed about the bundles is that they didn't come in a hairnet. The frontal came in a hairnet, but the bundles didn't. The wefts are pretty big. They're pretty thick. I can run my hands through the hair with no problems. I did get the BODYWAVE texture. The hair has like a chemical smell, but it's not overly like powerful. It's not like a powerful smell. It smells like hair, but it does smell like chemicals as well. So all the way down, way to the ends is thick. Like, those ends are thick. They're not thin. And I can run my fingers through it with no problem. There's not that many beards on the side of the bundle, like right here. Usually the little hair that sticks up are the beards, but it's not that much. The weft, the whole bundle itself, is very thick. And all three bundles look like this. So when I get ready to make the wig and I install it, I will be back for the install and the final update after me wearing the hair for a long time to test the longevity. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to join the family. Thanks for watching, you guys.